gentlemen, welcome to Melbourne. For your own safety, it's important that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. Tonight we'll be using the forward and rear doors to disembark. You may switch your mobile phones off flight mode now. They may remain on but not in use while walking across the tarmac. Jetstar is pleased to announce today the same budget offers special car rental rates to Jetstar customers. In addition, Qantas frequent fly members can earn frequent flyer